India, Foxtrot, Alpha. The beginning of a new chapter. From first sketches and samples to the glow of a cabin at 30,000 feet, every detail of Swiss Senses is shaped around the needs of our guests. Here, form serves comfort. Light supports the inner rhythm on journeys across continents and time zones. And every surface invites to unwind. In Swiss economy, guests experience thoughtful comfort, refreshed entertainment with larger screens, and the warmth of Swiss hospitality. In Swiss premium economy, more personal space, and a quieter place to settle in. In Swiss business, guests choose how they would like to travel, from more private seating options to extra space when it matters most. In Swiss First, quiet exclusivity unfolds as a calm, generous retreat with service, space, and time, finely tuned to each guest. Scents carrying a memory of alpine valleys, flavors that echo Swiss landscapes and have been crafted over decades. Soft textiles woven from thoughtfully chosen recycled materials. Each detail is tuned to the senses and deepens the feeling of well-being on board. Shaped by Swiss precision and genuine care. This is Swiss Senses, because we sense what you need.